Let's go ahead and do a review of AndRomo, which is create and monetize mobile apps without any coding. It's alternative to AppyPie and BuildFire and would be best fit for startups, app developers, and content creators that want to quickly design and test apps without coding. So let's go ahead and do a deep dive into AndRomo and see how it works. You can grab a lifetime deal for just $79, and for $79 you'll get 100 GB disk storage, 3 iOS builds per day, 1 paid access activities per app, unlimited Android builds. If you go for license tier 2, you will get 200 GB disk storage, 10 iOS builds per day, 3 paid access activities per app, unlimited Android builds, components with online content, WhatsApp stickers, WordPress blog. Want to get an extra 10% off Appsumo Lifetime Deal? I will leave a link in the description below where you can find all the information how you get 10% off every product. You can check it out. AndRomo is a no-code development platform that gives you all the tools to build, design, and monetize mobile apps. Begin building your app in seconds using AndRomo's Easy Start feature, which lets you choose from more than 30 design templates. The design templates cover 11 content categories, so you can pick from a range of options for showcasing products, services, or side hustles. And because AndRomo is powered by Google's Flutter UI tool, you can create your app without writing a single line of code. AndRomo lets you design your entire app on a one-page editing interface, so you don't need to click through multiple folders. Tailor your app's functionality to unique business needs, with options for adding features like media players, QR codes, photo galleries, and monetization platforms. Plus, it's easy to customize the look and feel of your app with simple drag-and-drop elements. With AndRomo, you can effortlessly monetize your app, whether you're looking to turn your hobby into a business or develop a new revenue stream for an existing company. Choose from dynamic ad options, including banner, native, and interstitial ads, and content paywalls. Plus, AndRomo integrates with leading mobile ad platforms like AdMob, MoPub, and Facebook. Creating your app with AndRomo never requires knowing how to code, but you can still learn skills for building and growing your app with video and text tutorials. New to the platform? AndRomo Academy covers the basics of creating your app and adding it to stores, and even offers a 5-step, quick start guide. Once your app is up and running, you can access lessons for advanced users that cover topics like native ad development, competitive analysis, and app store promotion. Fake it until you make it might have been your go-to strategy for learning the Cupid Shuffle, but it won't help you become a coding genius. AndRomo puts everything you need to build a monetizable mobile app right at your fingertips. From customizable templates to a foolproof editing interface. Build the app of your dreams without writing any code. Get lifetime access to AndRomo today.